Are you looking for electrical vehicle charging point at your home or work? Confused with EV jargon? And online EV installers who won't visit you? Call the EV charging point experts at CTS Electrical. We visit your home or work at a time to suit you. We survey where you would like your EV charging point and check the adequacy of your electrical supply. We will send you a proposal detailing all the works to be carried out. Upon accepting our proposal, we will schedule the installation to suit you. Our unique approach to EV charging often means there is no need to install earth rods and risk striking underground services. We carry out the installation of the EV charging point using our own in-house qualified electricians. We demonstrate its operation to you. We complete all the paperwork and send you certification. You enjoy easy hassle-free charging of your electrical vehicle. CTS Electrical Services. Knowledge, quality, passion, dedication. Call us on 01793 629 629 or visit us online www.cranlistech.co.uk/EV.